Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add text in Wondershare Filmora. So right now, we are in our main dashboard of Filmora. To start, go to New Project. In Filmora, there are three ways to add text. We can add text through the titles here. And we have also the quick text and the 3D text tools. So now, let's import our sample video and add it to our timeline. Let's add text from the titles. In here, there are many templates to choose from. Let's add this template. Select the text here and edit our text in this area. All other text editing tools can be found in the right side of your screen. Let's try to play this. Let's add text again from the quick text here. Make sure that you selected the text to open the text editing tools. Drag the text to move it. And drag these circles to resize it. Let's try this 3D text. You can also resize your text by changing these font size numbers right here. And choose your 3D material presets in here. Let's preview our video now. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!